Okay, so let's make a classic dry martini. So first thing you're going to want is glassware. So we've got a martini glass, we've got some crushed ice so the glass chills. Now we're going to make the drink. So you want a mixing glass, we have a mixing glass here, and we're going to want to add the ingredients. So first thing we want to do is add our gin. So we want 75ml of London dry gin. We have Gordon's here, so we want 75ml of that. So I'll go up to go 45 on there, and then a 30. So 75ml of London dry gin, and then we're going to go for 15ml of the dry vermouth, and we have Martini extra dry vermouth here, so let's go 15ml of that, and there we have it. Now we're going to want to add ice. Now we add ice at the end so we control the dilution, otherwise if you put it in at the beginning the dilution starts straight away. Now we're just going to mix. And there we have it. So now we're just going to get rid of the ice. So now we have a nice chilled glass, and we are going to double strain into our glass. And there we have it, a dry martini. Now we're just going to garnish. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a bit of lemon peel, and we're just going to express on the top there. We're going to rub it around the top of the glass and just down the stem as well. And we're going to throw that bit away, and then we're going to take a little bit of a lemon peel twist here, and we're just going to add that to the drink. There we go, and there we have it, a dry martini.